This is Hombe Dam. It is one of the most famous dams in Nyeri County, located in the middle east of the Mount Kenya forest. Hombe Dam is one of the most major dams built on 2010 during the reign of Mzee Kibaki, the late former president. This Hombe Dam was built in the aid of feeding water to people around Mathera constituency, around the Tomotomo area. This dam collects its water from the tributaries around Mount Kenya forest, which come and enter into the dam. The dam also collects its water from underground. Hombe Dam is surrounded by the beautiful view of the environment, a clean air, a cool environment, and still waters that dances all over the Hombe Dam. This dam is like none other, built in the midst of the Mount Kenya forest, a few kilometers from the Mount Kenya. Here, this dam is one of the most prestigious, bringing people from all over the country coming to get about this dam. The Hombe Dam collects clean water, from the tributaries, from the clean environment of Mount Kenya. The water is safe for drinking, being regardless out of the poor and the polluted environment, bringing it to a clean environment. The still waters and an enjoyable environment. Brought to you by Rajab Nyangumi TV. My name is Mwangi KE. Subscribe, comment and like for more videos coming up next on Rajab Nyangumi TV. Thank you, my viewer.